Hey there, this is a multi-form cleaner spray from AfterRide. This isn't just for cars. This works well on helmets, bikes, sofas and even shoes. The cleaning power of this foam is very strong. You just need to spray an even layer. Now let's try this on this old dirty helmet. Let's see how clean this can get by using our AfterRide's multi-form cleaner spray. See how much dirt it cleaned off? This AfterRide spray cleaner is quite good and effective. This is a value for money product. You should definitely give it a try. So that's it guys. Catch me in the next video. Follow me. Bye.